ArianeGroups Orbital Propulsion Center supplies customers worldwide with complete propulsion systems, equipment and services to place space missions in the right orbit. Our portfolio covers a wide range of technologies and solutions, including chemical propulsion, electric propulsion, working with conventional propellants and future alternative propellants. ArianeGroup Orbital Propulsion delivers complete propulsion systems that are manufactured, assembled, integrated and tested by our specialists.
We are using the radio frequency ion thruster technology that uses a radio frequent magnetic field in order to ionize neutral gas and to accelerate it via grids. The most important advantages from our grid technology certainly is the higher specific impulse. Thrusters make better use of the precious and expensive propellant. Therefore, the satellites can be smaller and lighter than others. And with a dual mode operation that we're just showing, we can offer shorter transfer to the final orbit than previous thrusters. At ArianeGroup, we're working on 3 major programs currently. The one is developing the RID2X system for the geostationary satellite market. The second is we're working on the electric propulsion innovations and competitiveness program from the European Union. And we're developing a plug-and-play propulsion module which serves low Earth constellation markets, satellites which are going to be produced in larger quantities. Our recent achievements were certainly the successful demonstration of our dual-mode operation of our RID2X engine and the successful coupling with an adjacent power supply. And thirdly, we just recently tested a complete propulsion module, the ArcLight module, and demonstrated this plug-and-play module being operational.
ArianeGroup has contributed in the past with its chemical propulsion equipment and subsystems to major ESA programs, like for example Rosetta, Solar Orbiter, ExoMars, and the Automated Transfer Vehicle ATV. ArianeGroup is currently working on the chemical propulsion system for the ESA JUICE mission, which will explore the icy moons of Jupiter, and we are also about to deliver the complete propulsion subsystems to the Meteosat third generation program, which is planned to be launched 2021 onwards. For the science and exploration programs, ArianeGroup delivers single components or the complete propulsion system with its main equipment, like the Apogee engine, 10 Newton thrusters for precise attitude and orbit control.
ArianeGroup is working in close partnership with Airbus Defence and Space for the development, qualification, production and integration of the European service module of the Orion multipurpose crew vehicle. ArianeGroup is contributing to the European service module with the delivery of key components and subsystems as the 200 Newton thruster cluster, the propellant tanks, the high pressure tanks and the pressure and control assembly. ArianeGroup has played an important role in the development, production and test of the European Automated Transfer Vehicle ATV up to mission operation. Based on our technology, products and experiences for orbital systems, we are proud now to contribute to the Orion program. The ArianeGroup is also progressing for the next missions, the completion of the pre-assembly activities for the ESM-2 and the final delivery of hardware for ESM-2.
The ArianeGroup Tank Center here in Bremen has a quite long heritage of approximately 40 years, in which we have developed and manufactured propellant tanks, mainly for satellite applications, for platforms like Eurostar or Spacebus, but also for global star constellations. We have manufactured also propellant tanks for scientific and exploration missions like Rosetta, ATV, and recently the Orion service module. The ArianeGroup Tank Center is currently developing a new propellant tank for geo-satellite platform applications For the new Vega C boom stage, we're currently developing membrane tanks which are capable with bead propellant applications with MON and MMH. For the Orion ESM European Service Module, we are currently developing and have already passed all qualification tests for the propellant tanks, which are combining on one side the challenging requirements from a human space manned mission, as well as very demanding requirements from high flow rates and various thruster applications coming from challenging GNC profiles.
ArianeGroups Orbital Propulsion major projects like electric propulsion for geo platforms or electric propulsion systems for small satellite constellations, or our work in chemical propulsion for major exploration programs with international partners, and also the work with new space players are shaping our new phase. Our teams are working on all these projects with high motivation to shape our future together.